Hi, this is TechPal. We are introducing 4-channel data logger, model number 319, with the feature of 16,000 records data logger, easy setup operation with PC software, triple display, real-time clock. The resolution is 0.1 Celsius. Thank you for watching. There are many kinds of Type K thermocouples you can choose for this thermometer. For example, this is the bead probe. Temperature range is from minus 50 degrees C to 200 degrees Celsius. And this thermocouple is glass fiber one, the brown one. Glass fiber, this temperature can up to 450 degrees C for the high temperature measurement. And the third one is immersion probe. Okay, this is for liquid and water or gasoline. It's very good for industrial usage. If you need surface measurement, you need this kind of TBK 04. The sensor itself is in the middle string of the thermocouples. Thank you for watching.